Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, universal garage door opener. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.